Hey guys, so today we are going to do some short 4 minutes Tabata workout to burn off and torch those fats. So no more excuses, only 4 minutes of your day. Let's start this Tabata workout.
I'll make a move and try to roll the dice. She takes me straight to paradise. Eyes, I think that you're my paradise. Eyes, I think that you're my paradise. So high, we spread our wings and start to fly. Guess we ain't stopping till we touch the sky. She takes me straight to paradise. Eyes, I think that you're my paradise. I think that you're my paradise. I think that you're my paradise. You're my paradise. I think that you're my paradise. Yesterday, alright. Keep me close to you. This can't be over soon. I know we're falling apart, my darling, but I'll be waiting for you. Shines bright as the stars in the shape of you. Everything beautiful makes me feel so blue. At times I lose my mind, but I know the one thing's right, that I love you, dear. Oh,
Good job everyone! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my other videos, 10 minutes abs, booty, legs, and also some yoga on this channel. So thank you very much for watching. Bye!